want to do this problem over here together. Number 12 is on the right side of your second page. In this problem, the first thing that we're going to do is take out a common factor, and then we're going to continue to factor it like I taught you how to do on the first page. I need you to think what 12 and 3 have in common. 12 and 3 both have a 3 in common, so I'm going to write that down there. You're going to copy that to the front of your next line of work, put your parenthesis, we're going to have to divide them out. 12 divided by 3 leaves us with 4. The x squared will just drop down, minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. You can't just not write anything there. I'm going to put a 1. And then I need you to keep factoring like you did on the front page. You're just going to ignore this 3, pretend like it's not even there, and we're going to focus on what's in parentheses like you did on the front side of your paper. I'm going to rewrite that over here as 4x squared plus 0x minus 1. So A equals 4, B equals 0, C equals -1. So what you should be typing in Desmos is that x times y equals -4. Remember, you have to do A times C, 4 times -1. And then x plus y should come out to be 0 again. The two numbers that make that happen are 2 and -2. And then remember, you have to take your A value, we have to put that down here at the bottom of the fraction. Both of those fractions can simplify, which you need to do. X plus 1 over 2, and x minus 1 over 2. And then you have to take that bottom number and slide it over. You'll get 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Before you circle that answer, remember this 3 we took out back here in the very beginning? You just need to keep that in the front of your answer. 4x squared minus 1 turned into 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. And that 3 really was here in the front this whole time. I just didn't write it because we weren't using it. We didn't really need it. And I didn't want to confuse you. The 3's been hiding out in the front this whole time. So when you write your answer, make sure that you include that. Make sure you leave that in the front. I want you to try number 1, number 4, and number 8. And then turn your cup red so I can come over and see how you did.